Hi, this is Vigneshwar. You are K19 CS1052. In this class, we are going to see about file handling. Second question: create a Java application to demonstrate the following file and read and display the given file content. Get the file name as input. Display a total number of words and display total number of vowels and display the number of characters and display the total number of white space. This is the question. We're going to solve this question. And first package import java.io.filewriter and create a class called you create any class and public main function and words is equal to 1, vowels is equal to 0, space is equal to 0 and character also is equal to 0, and try catch block we have to use. We have to read that file and int v is equal to file that read that file, and while v is not equal to -1 means that character is come, and if character words plus is equal to 1 and space plus equal to 1, it will come that words and vowels. If character is equal to a and equal to u, that means vowels means a, e, I, o, u. This all come means vowels came, and character dot alphabetic, that character means it will come that characters, and we have to close that file reader and catch exception also close. Okay, I run this code. See, in that file we have Vignesh and this all, and words is 1 and vowels is 15 and character 43 characters are there and no white space are there. This is my second code. Thank you for watching.